Hi everyone, today we are here in Queen Creek, Arizona looking at Mattamy Homes, Empire Pointe, and we are checking out the Amber collection.
So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan.
And I'm Lindsay Bingham.
And we specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix metro area. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. We'd love to help you. Our contact number is right here on the bottom of the screen. Give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever's easier for you. But enough talking, let's start today's tour. All right guys, real fast before we head in, I just wanted to go over the HOA fee out here. It's $169 per month. And what does that get you? This amenity center is loaded with a sparkling resort style pool, a fitness center. You also get the Paul Parks and the shaded play park. Also, there are game lawns. And you also get the poolside open air pavilion, pickleball courts, outdoor cooking, also a gathering room, and basketball. All right, so this first one here is the copper model. It's a 3-bedroom plus a den, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1877 square feet. Starting price of $472, $490. Let's go inside and take a look at this one. Let us know what you think about it in the comments below. So you have this front covered porch area here. And at $472, they have, it's a Spanish elevation. They have 4 different elevations. They also have the couple quick move-ins ready now, starting from $474 up to about $498. So it kind of gives you an idea of an inventory price compared to a model home. So keep in mind, these are model homes, so that some of these are gonna be upgraded. So we come in the front door here. Hello, Lindsay. To the right here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. These have the 8-foot doors. The standard would be a 6'8". So you could either build from scratch, design it how you want to, or you can look at some of their inventory homes. And then if you do that, it just comes down to what the designer chose when they, picked out the inventory home, whether they use 8-foot or 6'8". So bedroom number 1 up here, and then you have your standard closet here with your 8-foot bypass doors. And with it being a model home, I'm not gonna point out as much about the actual finishes, just maybe some of the upgrades that they did and, different things. Like when we get to the kitchen, I'll show you a couple things. But bathroom number 1 here, have your tub and shower combo. Right, so right outside of the bathroom, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then bedroom number 2 right here. Love the tall ceilings, of course the 8-foot doors, and then your standard closet there with the bypass doors. Any thoughts?
Pretty standard.
Yeah. So this is part of their Amber collection. This is more of their starter series. They have, 6 different floor plans in this collection. And this is the second biggest, or I should say the second smallest. So over here to the left, of course, this is gonna be your 2-car garage. It is locked, so we can't go out there and show you that, but it's a 2-car garage. And then back here is gonna be that den space. Of course, they have this set up as an office. Let us know in the comments below, what would you use this space for? Would you set it up as an office? You could frame out here, put a door here, and add a 4th bedroom if you needed that. And then right outside of the den, keep hitting those door stops. We have our favorite room in the house, the laundry room. It's your favorite room, right?
Not my favorite room, but it's a room that gets a lot of usage.
And then we have your, I'm just gonna say it, flip-flop closet, because I don't use coats here. But if you wanna put a coat there, you can, or some storage. All right, so coming back to the main hall, take a left, come down here. You're gonna have your dining room space over here to the left. And then right across from that, you're gonna have your kitchen. So open concept here, nice big island. And then you have your pantry tucked away in the corner right here. And one thing I love about this, it is a gas community here. So in this one, I'm going to point that out because that's an actual feature, not so much just the finishes and stuff, but you do have the gas here. Let us know in the comments below, do you prefer cooking with gas or do you like that electric lifestyle? And then you have your dishwasher and your undermount sink in the island. And then of course is opened up to your living room space, your sliders there, which will go out in a second. But let's go take a look at this main suite. Come in here, a nice size master bedroom. You have a nice size bed here, really big nightstands. Love the 2 windows above. And then plenty of space for a dresser over here, even a chair in the corner, and a nice little ottoman at the end of the bed. And these 2 windows up top, I don't have the floor plans with us. They made it where you have to scan a QR code. I'm gonna go out on a limb and say that is not standard. That's gonna be an upgrade if you were to decide to build from scratch.
Or it's just depending on the elevation that you choose.
Yeah, that too, because they have 4 different elevations here for this floor plan. All right, so into the main bath. Once again, you can frame this out if you decide you wanted a door right here. But you come into the bathroom right here to the right, you're gonna have your dual vanity. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then across from there, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then your water closet. And then you have a shower tucked in over here with the transom window above. And then your walk-in closet's gonna be in the back here. So you even have a space, you can see here they have like a little server room, or yeah, little servers here, but kind of tucked away. So that could be a great little place if you wanted to put a safe maybe, you know, kind of hide it there. I know that would obviously take up a little bit of space or access to the hanging rod there. But then you have your double hanging rods here, which I know Lindsay loves that.
Oh yeah.
And this is our first home we're doing this morning, so we're both still waking up a little bit here. So let's head outside, take a look at the covered patio, and I'll show you the backyard, show you the back of the home. Obviously, being a model home, the yard itself is not that big of a deal right now until they decide that they want to sell these. Let me come over here to the end. So you have this covered space here.
I like the 4-panel slider.
Yeah. Do you remember what she said on the lot size on these? 36, 38? 38 feet, 36, 38 feet wide. I know Lindsay has a better memory than I do, so probably 38 feet wide. And this is, once again, their Amber collection. So this is their smaller kind of entry-level collection out here. But here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the copper floor plan. They have 4 different elevations. Starting price is $472, $490. And then, like I said, they have a couple of inventory homes ready between now and July, ranging between $474 up to $498. Let us know what you think about this in the comments below.